We are going thrift shopping and eating acai bowls.
The thing I was looking forward to the most on this trip was being able to thrift shop. It's finally here.
He's got a bad attitude.
Excited.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go rob a bank. Wedding dress. I just don't see this keeping you warm in the ocean. This is a great wetsuit. One of my favorites.
It's a good tall wetsuit.
$300, even secondhand. What are we doing, babe?
I had Trevor pick out some of the things that he...
I think we should try this on.
I agree. Don't show. I'm trying on the things that Trevor wants me to try on the most in this thrift store.
It's definitely a little sexier than I thought it would be. Just a few little changes, some little alterations, and you may have a good nightgown there. It's hard to explain what I'm feeling right now.
What size are you? Yeah.
I think the review is hearts. We can go to my first prom.
It looks like a mermaid. It matches your toenails.
Ooh, it does match your toenails.
Runway down from the back.
Oh my gosh. Is it hot in here or is it just the broken AC?
Perfectly. Rosie, have you come look at her? Grandma.
Grandma! Ooh!
You can go to McDonald's with me in that. You've heard of Mega Desk. Now introducing Mega Table.
I don't get it. What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna sit on this beach and not do anything.
That sounds like a good plan.
Great.
Oh.
We're here at the spot. It's a Carpinteria staple. It's overpriced and not very good, so we come here every time.
We're out here playing cornhole. We've got Team Trevor and Ash, which makes trash. Rosie and Janie, which makes Josie.
Josie. You're the
Josie.
chosen ones.
The chosen ones. So far, Team Trash is winning, but I think Team Josen is gonna take out the trash. I think it's time to get vloggy.
Getting vloggy.
I'm doing the panorama here of Trevor. Sunset beach walk.
Beach walk. The beach is unusual right now. There seems to be a little plateau here that is causing a nice little river on the right with the ocean on the left. Whatever that is, it empties out there.
It's pretty weird.
Very unusual.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Water is very warm. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
We have no idea how deep this could be. This could be waist deep for all we know.
This could be waist deep.
There could be alligators in there.
Oh gosh.
Sharks. Sea anemones.
What are you doing? You gonna create a bridge?
Like the cliff that's going out.
This is weird.
Alright, then, let's go.
Oh no. This is not gonna end well. scary. I don't like it. Just having a quiet morning here on our beachfront.
Yeah. Dolphins are out, as you can see. Really beautiful.
No one really
Sun's
showed
out, sun's
up
out.
for this beautiful morning on the beach.
I'm going in. I'm gonna win everything today.
Set up our chairs out here this morning so that the junior lifeguards would get the hint that we don't want them on our lawn.
The clubhouse leader right now is this kid in the hat right here. He's expected to win everything. This Carpinteria. We put a lot of money in on him today.
So we're here at the Junior Lifeguard Olympics, or whatever it's called.
These kids have been training their whole lives for this moment. Literally.
We didn't intend on coming to this, but it came to us, so we're forced to. What did we just experience? Something a little odd.
Yeah, we had one of the coaches.
One of the lifeguards.
Lifeguards, sorry. He had a little bit of looks like a gut issue. Probably the best way I could describe that.
Well, it's the only explanation we got for it.
So they had to use our beach house for the bathroom. Which, yeah.
People already mistake
So
it for a public restroom, but
quite often, actually. It's happened multiple times.
demonstrate.
The face that I saw from the man.
The face.
That was so desperate. I think it was something like, as Ricardo so gently put it, it was the I'm gonna my pants face. I mean, how long was he in there? Maybe 10, 15 seconds? So
That's very quick.
it was a quick event. I give it a 10 out of 10 for quickness. I haven't seen the aftermath yet. We'll probably be talking about it for many hours. Which may,
I didn't see the face, but I will love to demonstrate the hobble.
Oh, the hobble. Yes, let's do the hobble. I hate to make fun of him because we've all been there.
Sure, he's a nice guy.
I mean, I haven't, but we've all been there.
This is the map of the lifeguard competition.
This is where we are. I'm needing an eraser to move this over here
We're just gonna put that down as
because
bathroom.
yeah, that will now be used as a bathroom. I
We're
think I'm
set
going
a
to charge some
precedent.
people. We were trying to contemplate how we could make money off of this last night.
This is
We
how
thought
to do
either
it.
lemonade stand, but now I'm thinking bathroom.
Yeah.
There's no bathroom besides the ocean, and frankly, that's disgusting.
Look at all the different styles we have here. This guy's kicking. This girl is paddling with her hands, and this man is canoeing.
Just canoeing. That's the strategy I prefer personally. I think it's a lot quicker. I want to walk to this tent. I've been out of coffee for like about 20 minutes. These nice kids are cheering them on, although they've already lost the event.
The main event for lifeguarding is
Tanning. You gotta get that tan. They gotta get that bronze color.
Sun's out, buns out, right?
Sun's up, buns out.